Welcome to Wheels Report.
The popular electric SUV, the BYD Atto 3, has received minor updates for the 2025 model year. The Atto 3 boasts a current design language, with sharp angles and a dynamic appearance. The front fascia features a bold LED headlight design, which is complemented by a striking daytime running light signature. The back has LED taillights and a clean roofline. Purchasers can personalize their vehicle by selecting from a range of vibrant colors. The body shape is intended to maximize airflow, which not only enhances appearance but also improves efficiency and reduces wind noise. The Atto 3 typically seats 5 passengers and provides comfortable seating for longer outings. Premium upholstery and heated seats may be offered. The SUV boasts a large trunk area with split folding rear seats for more versatility when hauling larger items or luggage. The vehicle has a large central touchscreen that controls the majority of the entertainment functions, such as navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The Atto 3 boasts a powerful electric motor that generates quick torque, resulting in rapid acceleration. The 0-100 km/h time is competitive, ranging between 7-8 seconds depending on variation. Different driving modes allow drivers to customize their driving experience to their liking. The Atto 3 uses BYD's blade battery technology, which increases safety, energy density, and durability. The LFP chemistry enhances stability while reducing the risk of thermal runaway. The vehicle supports both AC home charging and DC rapid charging, making it perfect for daily use and long-distance travel. Depending on the configuration, the range can be adjusted with various battery capacity to accommodate varied driving patterns and needs. The Atto 3 has novel features like speech recognition, wireless charging pads, and several USB connections. The system frequently supports a diverse set of apps and services, including streaming music, weather updates, and real-time traffic information. This feature allows the vehicle's software to be remotely updated, keeping it up to date with the latest features and security enhancements. BYD is committed to adopting environmentally friendly materials, such as recycled plastics and natural fibers on the interior. BYD has programs in place to promote battery recycling, support a circular economy, and reduce environmental impact. The Atto 3 is aimed at ecologically conscious clients who want a practical, attractive, and technologically advanced electric SUV. It's particularly appealing to families and urban drivers.
Thanks for watching.